channel Purvi's Nutrition Studio. Today I am going to talk about a topic where very few people would be aware about the same. How to prevent type 2 diabetes. Many people would have heard about diabetes, but today I am going to take you through the journey of symptoms which is going to help you to prevent yourself to get diabetes in future. Those symptoms few people might experience or might not experience. Before we go to that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you would get my upcoming videos. If you like this information, don't forget to like it and share it as well so others also would be benefited out of that. Symptoms experienced in pre-diabetic condition is excessive thirst. You would feel thirsty more often and your mouth will dry up. Within 15 to 30 minutes, you will feel again to drink water. Frequent urination is the second symptom. Blurred vision. And fourth one, feeling fatigued or getting tired very easily. Not necessary everyone would have these symptoms. Some might would have, some might wouldn't have. If you have to diagnose yourself that are you at the pre-diabetic situation or no, you need to do some test. Yes, the first test is a glycosylated hemoglobin test, which is HB1AC. Second test is detailed lipid profile, and third test is the liver function test. That is, from that you would come to know are you suffering from fatty liver. And the fourth one is very common, which you can see yourself in the mirror as well. Yeah, what I'm talking about is waist to hip ratio. That area there is more amount of fat accumulation. So if your fat percentage is more in that area, about that you would be giving birth to more medical issues. You know the symptoms, you know the test. If these two things are positive, do you think that's the end of it? A big no. If you are positive in these two things, what is the biggest solution you have to take is a lifestyle modification. Yes, you need to have modifications in your eating pattern and have some physical activity as your routine. If these two things become your routine, believe me, you can definitely help yourself to not get diabetes for future. Lifestyle modification. You would be thinking what to eat, what exercises to do so that you can help yourself to prevent from diabetes. Definitely, I'll be helping you through that as well in my upcoming videos. If you have liked my information, please do like it and please do share as well, because so many people are getting diabetes because they aren't aware of the pre-diabetic level. So if you share this, they will definitely help themselves from getting diabetes in future, and then depending on medication lifetime to get the problem solved. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned and keep following Purvi's Nutrition Studio.